Well, we're back at this Mazda that needed the compressor, and somebody with a not so good charging methods wiped out a compressor. So now it's at another shop getting fixed, and I'm here to just check things out. They put on the new compressor. I'm about to charge it up. Right now I have it under vacuum, so the system's well vacuumed down, getting ready to charge it. Something I wanted to show you. Here you go. Little 5mm. Let's see if I could do this. Okay, right there. That's a little one-way valve. This is the suction side. This is the discharge side. So when you spin the compressor, it sucks, and that's like a one-way valve, like in your heart, or a reed valve. It goes up when there's no pressure. When there's suction behind it, a lower pressure, it pulls down. Let's see if I have something I can push on that with. No, I don't. Yes, I do. Okay, you can see I'm touching it right there, and it goes down. So that's a one-way valve that pulls back. So when I turn the compressor, that should go down. You should see a little oil mist come out there, but that'll suck down when you have a good compressor. So here we go. We're gonna spin this puppy up. Spin it up. Nothing. As you can see, there's absolutely nothing. So this is the oil that came out of it. It's pretty clean. I mean, there's a few little shiny metal flakes in there. If we look down in there, let's see. Right. There's a little flake there at the tip of my finger. There's a few little flakes you see. But you know, that's really nothing. I expected to find a lot more. I wish I had the time to disassemble this and do an autopsy on this. I just don't have time. I have too many compressors. I have too many things I'm doing autopsies on, and I'm just backlogged with work, so I don't have time to do an autopsy on this and show you guys. It seems like a clean snap inside there off the shaft, but I wouldn't be able to prove that unless I opened it up. So let's see. Getting ready to charge it. I gotta record, data log everything. Actually, and my little wind speedy thing, taking data log, all the outlet temperatures of every duct before turning it back to the customer, and all that gets data logged into a PDF file and video file and goes to the customer's invoice, so the customer gets to see, because customer got to go back and go collect some money from somebody who spoofed this compressor by doing his little jerk-off thing with the cans. That's about it. I just wanted to show you that, and I gotta charge this up now and put this phone down.